guys, this is Taylor with MarineMax in Dallas. Today I'm standing on a 2020 215 Scarab. This boat is perfect for water sports and going out on the lake with the family and friends. We'll start in the back here. Big swim platform back there with storage to put your ropes and stuff as well. Nice transom walkthrough here. Tons of seating in this cockpit area. Storage under every seat. Coming through the boat a little more, you'll notice the tower. It's going to have kicker tower speakers and wakeboard racks on both sides. This boat is equipped with a kicker sound system as well. 2 captain's chairs with bolster seating. Going to the dash here, this will be all your navigation system, radio, depth finder, everything's on there. It does have a wake ballast system as well. Fill and empty, so it's super simple to use. This boat's going to hold 10 people. Coming through the boat a little more, tons of seating on the bow with storage under each one of these seats and a swim ladder off the front. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com.